It is estimated that the average number of events during a year is 3. What is the probability of occurrence of not more than 2 events over a 2-year duration? Assume that the number of events follows a Poisson distribution. So let's define x because we are asked about 2 years. So number of events in 2 years, but we are given an average of 1 year 3. So number of events happening in 2 years on an average are 6. So np is equal to 6. Now what we are asked, not more than 2 events means 0 or 1 and 2. So probability of x of 0 plus x of 2, x of 1 plus x of 2. This can be done only by Poisson because n is not given. So this is by Poisson. In a book of 520 pages, 390 typo errors occur. Assuming x is Poisson variable for number of errors per page, we are directly given x. X is defined as number of errors per page. So we need average number of errors per page because x is defined just like that. Find the probability that a random sample of 5 pages with uh, probability that a random sample of 5 pages contains no error. So first of all, I will calculate about 1 page, then I will calculate about 5 pages. So he gives that on an average 390 errors occurs 520 pages, means 0.75 typo errors per page. And this 3 means in a single page, if we take single page, there can be like whole page can be error, there can be any number of errors in a page, in a single page I am talking about. So x is originally given as number of errors in a page, number of errors in a page. So in a page, number of errors are this x defined, and on an average in a page there can be 0.75 typo error. So np is equal to 0.75 because we are calculating for one page, so we need average of one page. So what does he ask? With which contains no error. E raised to minus 0.75 into 0.75 raised to 0.0 factorial. So e raised to minus 0.75 is 0.4723. 0.4723 means in one page there is 47.23% chance that there will be no error. So what does he asking? Probability that a random sample of 5 pages contain no error. Okay, so first of all let us where we have to done. Okay, so I have gone somewhere wrong. So he gives first solve all these questions again. Anyway, average typo error per page was 0.75. So average typo error per 5 pages is 3.75 typo per 5 page. Here I am calculating about 5 page. What he's asking in the question? Okay, I misunderstood the question. So 5 pages contain no error. He has given average of 1 page, and he's telling to find of 5 pages. So I need average of 5 pages. From that I won't be able to, what I have done, what I previously done, I won't be able to do some things. So average of 5 pages is 3.75. Number of no errors in 5 pages. This is the probability that in a single page means 2% probability that any probability that in a 5 page there won't be any error. After correcting the proof up to 50 pages of a book, the proofreader found that there are 3 errors per 5 page. Means 3 errors per 5 page. Use Poisson distribution and estimate number of pages with 2 error in a book of 1000 pages. Okay. So solve these questions again. 3 errors for 5 page. मतलब same like that 10 lot question. 3 error per 5 page यानी 0.6 errors per page. Lambda is equal to 0.6. X number of errors in one page. Probability of x is equal to 2x, defined as number of errors in a page, in a single page. So this defines number of 2 errors in a page, which comes out to be, here we are studying about a single page. This average was given for 5 pages, just like opposite of this. Here average is given of 5 pages, so I convert it first in average of 1 page. So he doing this I get 0.0987, मतलब एक पेज में 2 एरर निकले उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी है इतनी. सो 1000 पेज में निकले तो इंटू 1000 98.786 ऐसे पेज होंगे जिसमें 2 एरर निकलेगी. सो यस, स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड क्वेश्चन, वी ऑलरेडी नो दिस. इन दिस क्वेश्चन इट वाज गिवन 1 पेज की एवरेज दिया था, 5 पेज को पूछा था. हियर 5 page average he is given and asked about 1 page, then number of pages, that lot question, remember. In a certain coal mine, the probability of worker dying in an accident is given as 1 by 1400. Probability of success is 1 by 1400. Let x be a random variable of a number of worker dying in an accident. So he has already given what x is. X is number of workers dying in an accident, which assumes Poisson distribution. So x is Poisson distributed. If there are 350 workers, so in maximum 350 workers can end at that day. That might find the probability that there will be at least one fatal accident in a year. Okay, don't worry. This probability was given about a year only. Means in 1 year. Okay, don't worry. He has asked probability of success this. Number of workers dying, what is done in an accident. Okay, let's understand the question again. Okay, I understand the question. He want to say in an year, the number of accident happen are 1 by 1400 chance, 1 by 1400, and there are 350 workers. So on an average in an year, 350 by 1400 workers die in an year. This is average NP. NP is given, average is given as this numbers of workers per year. So there will be at least one is equal to 1 minus 0. You can see this. From Poisson you can better understand this. In a component manufacturing industry, there is a small probability of 1 by 500 for a component to be defective. The components are supplied in a lot of 10. Use Poisson distribution to calculate the number of packets containing no defective consignment of 10,000 packets. So you have done this question, so try it again. About 1 lot. So x is number of 1 lot. No defective. Okay. It is known that the probability that an item produced by a certain machine will be defective is 0.05. Probability success is 0.05. Item is sent to the market. Packet of 20. Find the number of packets containing at most 2 defective items in a consignment of 10,000 packets using Poisson approximation. So first of all we have to study about one lot. One lot contains 20 packets. packet of 20. Okay, और सक्सेस अलॉट कंटेन्स 20 जो भी पैकेट्स नहीं आइटम्स पैकेट कंटेन्स 20 items. Now access upon number of defectives in a lot. It's 2 it is asked, so you can do it like this. So I brings 91 packets. Two defective. So a wireless set is manufactured with 25 solder wire, each on an average one joint in 500 is defective. Probability of failure is